Is it possible to start a sticker business with your Cricut? In today's video, we're gonna find out. I'm gonna show you the exact step-by-step breakdown of how you can start your own sticker business at home with your cutting machine, like a Cricut. So let's not waste any more time and get into the video. All right, folks. First things first, we have to research. If you're starting a craft business, one of the most important things that you need to first do is research everything and anything. What I like to do is I like to write down all of my questions that I have when it comes to selling stickers. What platform should I choose? What stickers are popular right now, right? Like just kind of get a gauge of the things that I need to know and indulge in order for me to actually start. So right now, we're going to research. Hello, I'm back. So I have a nice little binder here. I wrote down all the things that I wanted to discuss with you. First thing that I researched was the Cricut stickers. This is a very trending item. It is also something I found that can go great with themes. We saw the baby shower stickers, which I really like. So that's a great way to expand. So now that I know the kind of stickers that I want to make, I started looking into the designs. For today's purposes, to make things fast and easy, I'm going to outsource them from the lovely Creative Fabrica. So in order to create a sticker business, you will most likely need a printer, cutting machine, sticker paper, but let's not get ahead of ourselves because the next thing that I want to talk about is the product itself. So how am I making these stickers? Am I outsourcing them? The sticker manufacturer cuts them and then ships them to me? Or do I get the printer, get the Cricut machine, cut them myself, and not have to worry about hiring another company? But lucky for you, I have decided to do some test runs, which we will get to in the production section. Next up, we're going to talk about some legal things. Things are getting serious here. Welcome to the legal segment. Now, before you even think about buying products, thinking of your business name, we must discuss the main legal things that go into starting a craft business, or in this case, starting a sticker business. The first thing, when you are buying products, your inventory, machinery for your craft business, when you register your business, any purchases that are made with your business bank account can be considered a write-off. Now, I have a video explaining kind of what a write-off is, but it is on the older side, so if you want a more updated video on that, please let me know. I'd be happy to make one for you. But basically, at the end of every single year, sometimes you owe money to the government at the end of the year. You can reduce the amount of money you owe at the end of the year by writing off certain things that you've bought throughout the year. You saw this process in my craft business series. If you saw the first episode, I actually registered the business and then I opened the business bank account just to get everything cleared and out of the way.
I also forgot to mention that your designs should be authentically yours, meaning if you did not create them and you are outsourcing them, please check that the images, fonts, or phrases you are using are not copyrighted. For example, I cannot sell my Cricut stickers with a popular character like Minnie Mouse because Disney owns the rights. I would need to obtain a commercial use license that allows me to make a profit off of their character, which for Disney is a lot of money. Please do your research and make sure that you are following the legal laws with your designs, images, and fonts.
I'm only grazing over the certain things that you need to know about when starting a craft business legally. In the craft business blueprint, we go over every single aspect, the legal steps that you need to take in order to start. That entire legal module in the CBB is the biggest module. We don't want the government coming after you, right? Right. Now that you understand the legal terms, we can move on to production.
Okay, first we're going to make samples with 2 different label papers. If you need more help with learning how to make stickers with your Cricut, I have an extensive video on my channel that explains everything and you can watch it here in the cards. But I'm doing this process essentially twice since I have 2 separate label papers. I then labeled the stickers with a post-it note so I won't get confused on which sticker brand is which. Now onto the stickers I ordered. The first is from Sticker Blitz. These are 52 cents each if you ordered 100 at a time.
It's interesting material. It's thick.
The second is from Sticker Bros. These are 66 cents each if you ordered 100 at a time.
This is really thick. Yeah, I like how thick this is. There's minimal shine. Pretty nice. Now compared to the color though, this is darker, deeper red. This is more like saturated pinky color difference between the two.
So looking at all 4 of these right now, it's a tough choice between Sticker Bros and the vinyl sticker paper brand. Both the stickers I made were matte, while the outsourced stickers had a shine and satin finish. So to determine which sticker I want to choose, I'd have to compare the pricing, which we will discuss in the next part.
On to building our craft business. So when we think about building, we think about branding, our actual business name, and our pricing, right? These are just 3 main elements that I'd like to go over and essentially explain how to build. The first thing I want to talk about is our business name. So we've established that we are selling Coquette stickers. I don't necessarily want to put stickers in the business name, but something coquette-ish would be ideal because that's what we're going for. Okay, well, Shopify is not working at the moment because there's too many requests. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. I think this is one of the fastest ways that we can determine a good business name. So I'm going to say, hi, can you please come up with unique business names for my new craft business that sells Coquette stickers? I don't want stickers in the name because my business may branch out. We're just having a whole conversation with ChatGPT into other Coquette items such as t-shirts, party decor, and let's see what they come up with. So cute! Oh my god, Coquette charm is so cute. Flirt and flourish, whimsy and lace, that's beautiful. These are amazing, okay? So we have about 15 different business names that we can choose from here. Their next step should be to make sure that it is available on the platform that you're choosing. Your social media is also available. And the main thing is you want to legally make sure that this name is available and you can register this business. It's not trademarked, it's not copyrighted, and it is not taken in your area. For video purposes, say that I did all this. I really like the first one, Coquette Charm. It's probably taken. Feminine Luxe. I love that. Let's go with that. And it's 13, my lucky number. Okay, so Feminine Luxe is going to be your business name. Check. Now onto branding. I have a very special tool that will help you when it comes to branding, finding your logo. So let's cut to that segment.
One of my favorite websites I want to share with you is design.com. They are a well-rounded platform that offers logo designing and other design services such as creating social media posts and business cards. But first, we have to create a fabulous logo for Feminine Luxe. So let's type in our business name to create a logo. It'll then prompt a question box to share more about the business, which is a really cool feature. I want to explain that our business is catered to the coquette style, so I'm going to enter that keyword and bows as well. From there, you'll see all of these populated logo designs that you can choose from and edit. You can also choose the color scheme. So if you already know your main branding colors, for example, I chose pink because that seems very coquettish, no? Don't you think? But you can visually see how your logo is going to look with certain colors, which again is a really awesome feature that they have. Now going back to the original screen, I found a logo that I really loved and it is in the 3rd row. So let's click on it. You can select a color variation and I think the light pink will go perfect with this coquette sticker business. Now we can change the design. You can alter the font, the colors, the sizing, the images. I actually prefer the original font, so I'm going to change that back. The only thing that I would like to change though is the background image. So to do so, you will select the shapes button on the right hand toolbar and type in bow because I want a bow in this logo. The one that I liked is blue though, but we can easily change the coloring. So I changed it to that pink color, which it even saved the color scheme of the current logo, which made my life so much easier. Now I can delete the old image and send the new image to the back. You will simply right click on it and then click send to back. From there, you can center it, size it to your liking. I don't want the bow to be too small because we want to be able to see it. But you want to make sure that the business name is front and centered. My favorite feature about design.com is the preview button. You can see how your logo is going to look on certain products like a business card, your online storefront, and the key to having a good logo is making sure that it translates well to your target customer. For example, the bow and business name are clearly legible. It is easy to understand that this business has to deal with some sort of Cricut product, which is why your branding is so very important with your craft business. You can snag a huge discount with my special link and get 88% off with design.com. So be sure to check out their services for your craft business because I wish I knew about them sooner with my craft business. And that special link will be on the screen here and in the video description as well.
And the last thing that we need to talk about is pricing. If you did extensive research earlier, you would have also taken note of the prices that people offer for their Cricut stickers. You can also create personalized stickers, which will up the price. Bundles as well, so if you want to order a pack of 1 stickers or a pack of 5, 10, 20. But there's one very important thing to remember with pricing, and it is all of your supplies. If you decided to make your own stickers, well, we need to factor in ink, the time that it makes to cut the stickers, and also the label paper as well. If you're not making your stickers and you're outsourcing them, we need to factor in how much it costs to order them. These are things that we need to outweigh. If you're still very confused on how to price your products and you kind of want to double check if you're doing it right, a future video of mine is going to be how to properly price your products. And with that video also comes with a gift that I know you're going to love. If you're interested in that video, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. But right now we're going to keep our pricing at this for now. Next we can move on to marketing. My favorite. Now you might be thinking that marketing just involves social media, and you are far very wrong from that. The two main marketing channels that I really want to focus on for this sticker business is email marketing and also social media. There are others, but right now these are the two main ones that we will focus on that we can actually do today. So first, I need to decide what platform do I want to choose. For this particular business, for Cricut stickers, and concluding with my research, Gen Z, millennials, in that range would like Cricut stickers. That's primarily the age range. Doesn't mean that anyone younger or older isn't using it, but I would really like to focus on creating short form content and building my social media. I'm gonna go with TikTok. So create your TikTok account. I go on TikTok right now, make sure that the username is available of my business name, leave it be. I would upload my logo, but ultimately you want to build your profile so it has its proper keywords in there. In the bio or in the title of your username, you're going to have Cricut stickers. Should also have that in every single hashtag of your post, caption, right? In the text of the video that you are posting. Just make sure that everything matches along those things. I would at least try and get your first 3 posts done sooner rather than later, and then create some kind of content calendar so that way you're staying consistent and continue to stay consistent after that. But hey, we're starting a craft business. This isn't easy, so we have to put in the work and time to plan and create this in order for our following to grow and our community to grow. And then the second is email marketing. Now there are a ton of different email, newsletter, and marketing platforms out there. The one that I personally use is Flowdesk, and I absolutely love it. This is one of the best deals that you'll ever receive. You'll get 50% off your first year with Flowdesk if you use my link and code. I use it for both AMYMAKESTHAT and also my new craft business. Their templates are amazing. They don't have any limits when it comes to their contacts, the amount of emails that you can send. A lot of other companies will charge extra. I don't agree with that. Use the link that I will put on the screen here, and I will also put it in the video description. The main thing right now you want to have is a waitlist form. So a waitlist form is getting people to sign up for your email newsletter and know when your online storefront is launching, because you don't want to launch your online shop and have no one know about it. Lots of new things are coming also, by the way, in the future. If you have no idea what email marketing is and you are looking to get into that, I do have a mini course coming for product-based businesses like you if you're watching this. I will put the waitlist for that in the video description and also on the screen here. So that is our marketing for feminine luxe. So pretty. Last but not least, we must talk about the online storefront and the platform that we are choosing to sell our Cricut stickers on. I'm gonna be real with y'all for a moment. If you think that you can launch your online storefront without soft selling to your audience, building your social media platforms, your email newsletter list, not attending craft markets, we're gonna have some serious problems here, okay? If you're having trouble deciding what online platform to choose, I do have a video on some things to look out for. And if you are deciding to choose Etsy, well, we have a lot of strong opinions on Etsy and I'd like you to know about them. So if you haven't watched those tutorials, please do. But choosing your online storefront is one of the most important decisions that you will make as your craft business. If it's not easy to navigate, professional looking, and it's hard to get to, customers are not going to want to gravitate towards your shop. When you choose your online storefront, we can move on to prepping for the launch. So this means that we need to prep our content that's going to be posted, because there's a difference between creating social media posts to gain a following versus launch content, and this part is going to take time. You're essentially going to be heavily promoting your marketing. I would even suggest attending craft markets in this time as well if you're able to, but that is the final step to creating and starting a sticker business with your Cricut. Before we part ways, I have something to share with you. Let's go back here. Now, if you watch this video all the way through, thank you, I love you so much. But if you're sitting there and you're saying to yourself, I have questions, Amy, you have two options. The first option, please consider enrolling in my course, The Craft Business Blueprint. This course was meant for creators and aspiring crafters just like you, looking to make a full-time income with selling their crafts like handmade stickers full-time. And as a thank you for watching today's video, you can get a special discount. I didn't forget about the second option, which is to work with me one-on-one. You might want to pick my brain for an hour, and I not only set up a session with you, but I also give you a complete audit of your current craft business state and also your social media accounts. I will essentially audit and break down everything that you need to be doing and in the future for your craft business. So you have options. In 2025, I'm aiming to help as many of you as possible to launch your craft business and follow your dreams. So thank you for being a part of the AMT community and being a part of something bigger than yourself. I hope you're having a very crafty day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.